Okay, so hopefully I will have no disconnect on this video to finish the stone jewelry holder, because I really want to get this done. I'll do this project after I finish uploading the videos for the stone jewelry holder, and this is how it looks so far. And I was showing my mom this, and I wanted it to have different shapes. So not just the flat ones, but some that stick out, different colors. So I went through and I kind of looked at what stones will fit where. And I'm going to see if I can do it on camera the way I hoped I could. But I'm going to have to kind of go through and check to see which stones I wanted and where I wanted them. I think I did it like this and like this, so you guys can take a look at what I was working on. So I want this stone here, so I'm going to put this little stone in first so that it fits. Okay, so I'm doing it this way so that I don't mess up the shape. And I'm going to get another glue stick, but let me press this down first. Because they're heavy, I want to press them down and make sure they dry, otherwise they'll just keep falling off. So let me get another glue stick, because soon that glue stick will end. But I want to get as much of this project done on camera for you folks so that you guys see how I'm doing it. Okay. That little stretch wasn't good, so I'm going to pause this really fast so I can get the glue stick off camera and not get cut off. Okay? Let me pause this. Okay, I got the glue sticks. So I'm trying to do this fast, and when I try to stretch too much or move too quickly, my voice goes. So I don't want that to happen. Okay, so let's see. Which stone did I have? I had this one. So there's a little glue that's visible. So I don't want it to be visible. So I'm going to place this on top of the glue that's visible. I'm going to have glue that's visible in some areas, but since I don't want that to happen too much, I'm going to put it on top of the glue that's visible. And I'll show you in a moment. Okay. You see how there was glue over here, and then I just put glue on top of it. See, my movements mess up when I go fast. It's hard not to go fast because I'm used to moving fast. But anyway, let me see. Oh no, the one that I said was gonna fall off fell off. Oh, okay. So the one that I said was gonna fall off, and I was pressing down, fell off. But that's okay, because now I got the other one down. Okay. Let me see. I hope I get this the right way again. If not, okay, I twisted it until I got it the right way. And let me hold it longer. Okay, so I turned it until it fit in, and it's this little one. Wait, no, it's this little one. There it is. Okay, so you see how that fit together. All right, so now, let me see. Okay, the bottom one is the one that I tried before and it fit, so I'm hoping it fits it today. Let's see. Press it. this one that I just put is up a little, and I don't like it that way, so I'm going to take it off. I'm waiting until it cools enough that I can peel it off. It's not cool yet. Once it's cool, I can peel it off. There, okay, there it off. There it is. It took a little paper off with it, so what I'm going to do is peel it off together. And I'll show you. Because once it cools, it can come off. Okay, you see? It comes off. So I put it up a little high, and I didn't want it like that. So I'm going to turn it until I get the area that I want. Okay. All right. Now I'll glue it again. Okay, and you see how now I made sure it's flat so that when I put the bottom on, it won't wobble. So I'm just gonna show you folks. Okay, now let's see. Now this is the next stone I hoped to put on. Now this stone that I hope to put on isn't squeezing in as much, so I might have to choose a different stone. So what I think I'm going to do is use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I don't like that one now. I liked it before, and that's my point. That's why I don't like to try to lay it out first, because if you lay it out first and you don't like it, then it's like, oh, okay. Then you want to know what? Let me go back in here and find something else that I like better. Okay, I like this one over here better. They're going to cut me off because they can't let me finish a project on camera. That's my point with them. This is stopping me from being able to work.